Hi friends, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my living room to show you how I've decorated it for Valentine's 2022. Like most holidays, I love decorating my home for Valentine's. It's bright, it's pretty, and it's so romantic. I hope you enjoy me taking you for a little tour. This video is dedicated to my sweet YouTube friend Gigi of Gigi's Creations. Gigi has been a big supporter of Antonette's Vignettes, which is an open collaboration that I host monthly. Gigi makes lovely DIYs on her channel, and I'd like to take this opportunity to wish her a very happy birthday. Gigi, I hope that this year brings you all the beautiful things that you deserve. I have linked Gigi's channel and her birthday playlist in my description box for you to visit. I hope you enjoy. I'm starting this Valentine's living room tour with what I think is my favorite display in this room, and what I really love about it is the white. I think the white really contrasts beautifully with the red, and it softens it up so much, and I just love it. Now, I absolutely love the color red, truly I do, but I think I get my fix of red with Christmas, so I do like to add white, pink, and black to my Valentine's displays. And you'll see this year that I've definitely done that. So let's move over to the right of the display I just showed you here. I always like to put something up at the window. So this is a little piece right here that my son made in school. And he seems to have made a lot of holiday items over the years in school when he was a kid. And I've saved all of them, and I do use them always for my decorating. So here, as we get closer, on my lamp here, I have this great little, I guess you could call it a wreath or some sort of hanging sign there. And then just below it here, a great little gathering of beautiful pillows. So if we keep moving around the room, you can see in this corner here, I've done some more Valentine displays. Let's get a closer look. So over here on this little side table, I have this display. Now, a lot of you know that I love the Harlequin diamond pattern. Ironically, Harlequin diamonds are associated with romance. There is a group of novels or books out there called the Harlequin Romance Series, and so it's very appropriate for Valentine's, I think. You can see my little box here. I embellished it with red heart stickers, a red with white scrolling heart-shaped plate. Let me tell you, I love heart-shaped plates so much. Anytime I see one, I grab it. I usually don't care what color it is, what size it is, and whether I get one or a pair or half a dozen. I just love heart-shaped plates so much. They're so pretty. A little bit difficult to display. Usually you have to display them on their side, but gorgeous nonetheless. So this little box here, I also embellished it with red heart stickers. And then this piece here that I grabbed last year, so pretty, so cute. And I love that on top of that cylinder box. To the right of this side table, we have this gold cabinet here. I always love to dress up these wall sconces here. So this Valentine's, you can see I placed this little boy gnome over here and his little girlfriend over here. They're adorable. I purchased these last year at Dollarama for $2.50 each. They're ceramic and they're absolutely adorable. Here atop my cabinet that is just below the wall sconces that you saw is this little display. What I did was I took this piece that my son made many, many years ago for Valentine's. I dressed it up with this bow and heart there and the polka dot paper. It came with a different paper when he made it. And I have attached it to this picture frame, which I think really makes it pop. And I've added some beautiful white hearts, also from Dollarama, I believe. Another little craft or DIY from my son's school days, and then a beautiful white rose. And I've placed that all atop this beautiful red runner. Now, on this runner, about 4 or 5 days ago, I had this displayed very, very differently. I had all sorts of items all over it, and it looked really wow. But what I remembered was that a lot of the items on top of this cabinet I planned on using in the very last Valentine's Tablescape I'll be doing for a Valentine's Tablescape series that I'm involved in. So I had to remove a lot of those pieces, and I put here this more simplified vignette, and I think I love it. On each side of the cabinet are these glass vases with these red sticks here, and I use these for Christmas as well. So to the right of that cabinet that we just saw is this corner. I moved my winter tiered tray here on this 2-tiered table. And then on the lower tier, I just have some pretty hearts with some white roses. This plaque with the white rose painted on it is another piece my son made. And that white rose is the reason I have these white roses right here. Here is my coffee table. So talk about bringing in the Harlequin pattern. I have this black and white runner here that you've seen me use pretty often. I purchased this beautiful red and white Harlequin patterned ribbon from Amazon, and it's a nice 4-inch thick ribbon, and I love it. And I will be using it to make a bow for a future Valentine wreath video that I'll be doing. And then just over here, this beautiful heart plate, another heart-shaped plate in the black, white, and red. There is a touch of pink. This little ornament that, although is Christmas, I did think it looked perfect for this display. I did the same thing here on this box that I did with the one on the side table. I just added some heart stickers. And if you recall this DIY I made this recently. If you didn't see that video, I will link it in my description box. Since that video, I did add a little more of the hearts on the bottom ornament there, and I think it really brings it to life. And my friend Sheryl at I Style My Style said that this reminded her of the Queen of Hearts in Alice in Wonderland. I don't know why I didn't notice that, but it really, really does have that look and feel to it. And as soon as I read her comment, I immediately got inspired to do some sort of future Queen of Hearts vignette or tablescape or tea party or something, but I must use this in a Queen of Hearts display, and it probably will be in the not too distant future. So thank you, Sheryl, for that little inspiration. And many of you have seen these DIY'd feather orbs or balls that I made. I just put that on top of a black candle holder at the back there, and that fills in our space really nicely. Here's an overview of the entire living room. Don't be surprised if on my Valentine's Home Tour video, if you see perhaps a few little tweaks. I have a tendency to not leave well enough alone, so you may see some different little things on that video, but for the most part, this is it. Thank you so much for dropping by. Please visit my friend Gigi's channel. Let her know I sent you. Wish her a happy birthday. Gigi, I wish you a year filled with wonderful, beautiful things. Take care, everyone.